Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new, hi, my name is Dana. I upload videos at least once a week. Usually it's something tea related, sometimes it's Disney themed, and sometimes I just like to vlog my life. Today is extra special though because you guys just got me to 1,000 subscribers. To hit 1,000 subscribers is a really special milestone for me, and I really want to thank you guys. So first I'm going to tell you guys the rules and how the giveaway is going to work, and then I'll show you the prizes. To enter the giveaway, I want you to answer this question in the comments. If you were a tea, which tea would you be? I would be Sweet Ginger Heat from David's Tea. I'm mostly sweet, but I do have a little bit of sass, which I feel like aligns with the spice in the Sweet Ginger Heat. So comment below, if you were a tea, what would you be? What kind of ingredients would you have? Would you be sweet, spicy, dessert-like? Just get a little bit creative. To win the giveaway, you must be subscribed to my channel and you must thumbs up this video. I'm also gonna throw in an extra entry for anyone who follows me on Instagram. So if you do follow me, make sure you include your Instagram username so I know who you are and I can count your double entries. The giveaway is gonna start today, which is Wednesday, October 17th, so you can start entering as soon as this video goes up, and then it's going to end on Saturday, October 27th. I'll be posting a video announcing the winners, so make sure you watch and make sure if it's you, you make sure to get in touch with me so I can get your address and send you your prize. Unfortunately, I can't afford to ship overseas, so this giveaway is going to be only open to the US and Canada. Hopefully someday when I hit like 1 million subscribers, I'll be successful enough to afford that kind of shipping and I can do an international giveaway. So what I'm gonna do once I have all the comments on that very last day, Saturday, October 27th, I'm going to assign a number to each entry, and then I'm gonna use a random number generator to choose the winner. So it'll be totally random. Let me go ahead and show you what you'll win. The first prize is something I'm really proud of. When I decided to do a giveaway, I knew I wanted to give away something I made. I have so many ideas for like tea related sayings and like tea related designs that I would love to turn into like shirts and bags and all kinds of stuff. So I wanted to kind of like get that started and design something for you guys. I went with a tote bag because I thought that would be super cute to bring on your like tea shopping sprees. And I designed this logo here. It says, "Have a beautiful day," and it has a mug and a little tea bag with a heart on it. Because I bring mine grocery shopping. You can bring it when you go get tea. You can bring it to school. A nice way to carry your tea, and my very first design. I am gonna have this for sale linked below. I'm going through like a third-party site though. I'm not like having them printed and sent to me. Like I'm selling them through a website. So they do cost a little more than I would have liked to charge, but for now I just figured I would make it available in case you don't win the giveaway, but you do like the bag, they are available to you. And then inside the bag, we're gonna get all kinds of tea. There are gonna be 2 different winners, so the prizes will vary a little bit, but both winners are going to get all of these things. A 2-ounce bag of Alpine Punch. Alpine Punch is one of my favorite teas of all time. It has like an amaretto sort of feel, or like a marzipan, like it's really almondy, and it has like coconut chips, cinnamon, ginger, rose blossoms. It's like fancy and super special. If this tea was a princess, it would be Princess Belle. It's just like classy and like beautiful and just perfect for winter. You can make it into a latte. So I wanted to include one of my very favorites. And then I went out and bought my favorite way to make tea for both of the winners. This is the David's Tea Perfect Infuser. So it's just a simple metal infuser like the one I use in all my videos. And it comes with a little saucer. So after you're done steeping your tea, you can take your infuser out of your cup and just set it right on the saucer. I love these infusers because they fit in pretty much any mug that you have, so you can still use your very favorite mug and you have the perfect way to make tea. It can never break, it's easy to clean, you can dishwash it. So this is my go-to way to make tea and I wanted to share it with you. I also have a David's Tea free tea coupon. So this will get you, I believe, 1 free tea of the day. So if you have a David's Tea near you, go in there and get yourself a free cup of tea on me. And you also get an extra 10% off in store. I love these candies. They're called Hi Chew. They're kind of like Starburst, but like even more chewy and delicious. And these ones are acai flavor, and I just thought it would be fun to put a little candy in the bag. And then I have a whole assortment of tea bags that both prize winners will be getting. Both of you will be getting 3 chocolate covered almond sachets. So these are little tea bags. They're each good for a cup of tea. So you'll get 3 cups of chocolate covered almond. Mother's little helper. This is a really popular one at David's Tea. It has peppermint, lemongrass, hibiscus, rose hips, chamomile, valerian root, and cornflowers. So it is really like relaxing. The valerian root helps your muscles relax, so it really helps to stimulate feelings of sleepiness and get you nice and cozy and relaxed before bed. And then this is a tea I always keep on hand, and the tea bags are just so easy. It's called Cold 911. This is the perfect go-to for when you're not feeling super well. It has peppermint, apple, juniper berries, and eucalyptus. It helps to really like clear out your sinuses when you have a cold. That like I always keep in the house in case I get sick. You'll each be getting a cup of apple cider. It has apple and vanilla, so it's not like a spiced apple. It's like a sweet, creamy, like vanilla apple, and it is so delicious. It was a Christmas tea, but I think it's awesome for fall, for any time of year, really. And then we have Lady Marmalade. It's so elegant. It is a black tea, and it has apple, ginger, cinnamon, papaya, rose blossoms, nutmeg. It's fancy. I had like a bridesmaid brunch tea party sort of thing, and this is what I served at that. And then another Mother's Day tea, a super fancy one, vanilla bergamot. Okay, so those are the ones that both winners will be getting, and then from here we branch out into 2 different prizes. So winner number 1, you're getting 2 full ounces of vanilla bergamot, so that's enough for like about like 15 cups of tea. And this one is really cool. It says, this refined blend of luxurious white tea, creamy vanilla, and citrusy bergamot is like Earl Grey's classy aunt. Laced with white chocolate and rose petals, it's pure elegance. So yeah, this one is fancy. It's delicious. I just like over-invested and bought too much of it, and I could never possibly drink it all. So you will be getting 2 full ounces of that. And then I have this iced tea pack of Guava Cadabra. So all you gotta do for this one is cut it open and dump it into your infuser to make iced tea. It's already portioned out for you. So it's really nice for on the go. And then another little pack like that, but this one is Caribbean Crush, which is so good. It tastes like a Jello almost. It has cranberry in it, which adds like a little bit of tartness, and it has like pineapple. It's an amazing iced tea. I think you're gonna love it. And then the last prize for the first winner is this pack of cinnamon rooibos chai. This tea is just a classic. It doesn't have like ginger, cloves, anything like that. It's literally just rooibos, apple, and cinnamon. So if you love cinnamon, this one is awesome, and it makes a beautiful latte. And a fun fact, this is actually my mom's favorite tea, but she only drinks it iced, so it can really do a lot of different things. So that is everything for the first winner. And then for the second winner, you'll be getting 2 ounces of my very favorite tea, Toasted Walnut. It says, this bestseller green tea blends the comforting taste of toasted walnuts with the sweetness of dried pineapple, coconut, and almond. This is like literally one of my top 5. I love this tea. I love nutty teas and I love green teas, so you guys are gonna enjoy this. It's not limited edition, you can buy it anytime, but I really wanted to include some of my very favorites. And then you also have that same pack of Caribbean Crush that you can just cut open and turn into a perfect iced tea on the go. And then this is a little tiny tin of Forever Nuts, which tastes just like a cinnamon roll in a cup, and it is David's Tea's best-selling tea, and it's just amazing. It steeps pink, which is really cool because it has beetroot in it, so it's like a pink cinnamon roll. And then the last prize will be David's Tea's Buddha's Blend. This is a white tea. It has white tea and green tea, and it's super popular as well. So I thought it would be cool to kind of count out how many cups of tea you'll be winning. So each of these sizes have about 14 cups of tea in them, give or take. So 28 plus, this looks like about 2. So we'll count these guys as 30 cups of tea together. And then each other one is enough for 1 cup. So we have 30, and then we have 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Okay, so you have about 41 cups of tea if you win, and you have a infuser to use to make all your cups of loose tea. Okay guys, so those are my giveaway prizes. I'm so excited to pick the winners and hear your answers to my fun question. All you need to do is comment below, if you were a tea, what would you be? You need to be subscribed and you need to like the video. And that gets you entered into the contest. Like a whole extra entry, make sure to follow Instagram, and then just make sure in the comment you include your Instagram name so I know who you are. I'm so excited. I really wish I could afford to send prizes out to each and every one of you as a thank you for believing in me enough to subscribe to my channel. It really means the world to me. Enjoy responding to your comments and getting to know you and help you guys enjoy tea to its fullest extent. Alright guys, I hope you're having a beautiful day and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching!